What's up, guys? It's your boy Adrian's weather forecast, and happy Black Friday. And I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving dinner. And this is it may be a little too early to do number 2, but I'm behind because I started too late. Winter 2018-2019 forecast number 2. So let's go ahead and comment below if you had any family come to your house or what you did. Just comment what you ate or what you did. This is basically what it's going to be like this year. Why this is what the ocean looks like, Pacific Ocean. You can see it's El Nino because there's warmer temperatures in the middle of the Pacific. If it was La Nina, it'd be warmer on the coast of South America. But this is actually a Modokai. So it will bring, let me show you what it does. It's an El Nino, typical El Nino. It will bring cool and wet across the south, and whenever that in El Nino, that causes a lot of snow for the south, because when that wet and cool meet, hold on, I'll show you what happens when they meet. But this is NOAA's winter precipitation, so it'll be above across not just southeast but the south and parts of like northeast New Jersey. And it's basically just the south getting above precipitation. So this is what happens when the cool and the wet meet. That's why it brings a lot of snow to the south, because when the cool and the wet meet, it makes that rain nice and cool, which will create snow. And that line, this is where the rain will be, south of the snow where that L is. And then it will bring snow to the north of that. And then there will be ice in between of that. So that's why the southeast gets a lot of snow when it's El Nino. This is temperature outlook for December, February. You can see near to slightly below temperatures from Texas to Maine. You can see it goes through Texas, Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, Missouri, northwest Arkansas, Wisconsin, by Green Bay, Des Moines, Chicago's getting some, parts of the northeast. And then below average, parts of the southeast and Midwest, like Texas all the way to Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, parts of Missouri, and Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, North Carolina, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, and Louisiana are all in that. Mississippi, their whole state's in there. And then much above average goes across Montana, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. That's very hot, according to average. Above average across California to the tip of Minnesota, and then near slightly above average in northern Minnesota or northern Wisconsin all the way to southern California. This is the temperature outlook for December through February. You can see it could be 5 degrees below average from parts of Alabama through North Georgia through parts of the mountains in North Carolina. And you can see it's 1 degree below average. It could be 1 degree below average from all the way Texas to New Hampshire. That goes through Wisconsin, Iowa, Michigan, Pennsylvania, parts of Ohio, Illinois, Missouri, and all that. And then it can be normal wherever you know in that color. Plus 1 degree through Arizona, all the way to Canada. Same thing with 3 degrees above average all the way Northern California, all the way to Canada, and then 5 degrees above average to tip of North California, and then all the way to Canada. So it's going to be very warm for the Pacific Northwest. I created this myself. It's probably really bad. I'm just not used to using this stuff. But if you're in the pink, that's super cold and way above average snowfall. So you can see just see wherever you are and find out what you are. And then if you're in the dark blue, you're colder than average and above average snowfall. A couple snowstorms there. If you're in the yellow, slightly warmer and below precipitation. If you're in the orange, super hot and way below precipitation. So just look where you are. And I created this myself too. Chance of white Christmas. So see wherever you are. The pink, 75% to 100. The dark blue, 50 to 75. And then the light blue is 25%. And then the yellow, 0 to 1%. So that's all. Because Seattle always gets rain. Parts of California might not get. So just look where you are. And that is it, guys. You guys are probably asking, why does parts of Georgia and South has 25% when it's usually 0 to 25? Well, it's because I'm not sure, 100% sure, but apparently there's supposed to be a mini ice age, so by 2020. So apparently everybody's saying it's starting this year, but that's why it's going to be very cold across the South. That's what happened to Ice Age. The whole country will be below average. So basically it's starting across the East, and by 2019 it will be the whole country, and by 2019 it will be so cold. Apparently it will be deadly, and so many snowstorms across the South and everywhere. So if that's true, then the South better get prepared. Or when I mean the South, I mean everywhere, all the way to California to North Carolina. But and I'm not just talking about the South. The Northeast can get this. The Northwest, everywhere in this country is gonna get a lot of snow if that's gonna happen. It's not gonna be like the big ice age. It's gonna be mini ice age by 2020. So it will obviously be very cold across the South. So that's why they have 25% of white Christmas, because it's getting colder for them, because the mini ice age is supposed to start this year. So that's why it was in the 20s in New York, the high. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. And hold on, I didn't go all the way. Yeah, if you're in it, you probably already knew that. That's the video, and hope you liked it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good Black Friday and get some deals, and Merry Christmas.